Hello and welcome to this video. I will share with you step by step how to log in Banco BPM. So all you have to do, follow me in this guide. Go to Google, search for Banco BPM. This is the first website. You will see this page. Click on this profile icon on the top right corner and then click accept your different option here, digital archive. Access the first steps here, the first website here. You will see this page. In this page, to access your client customer login, write your identification code. When you write your identification code in this option, click your password here. After write your password, so as you can see here, write your identification code, write your password, and then click on sign in option. So click on sign in. You can use the second steps here, as you can see here. Click this profile icon. Click the second result, write your username here in this case, and then write your password. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you soon.